Hi friends, today's video will guide you through on how to find credit cards on Chrome. Open up your Google Chrome browser in your PC, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You can either go through the password and autofill, or you click on settings and you select autofill and password. In the autofill and password section, you click on payment method. Here you can see lists of all your credit cards. To add a new credit card to it, click on the add button here and you add your credit card number, the name on the card, the nickname and so on. To remove a credit card from the list, you would find three dots beside the credit card. So you click on the three dots and you click on the remove option, and it will remove the credit card from your Chrome browser. So that is how to find credit cards on Chrome. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more of this. Bye.